Hello, this is just a little overview on the new website for forestry technicians called Flemingforestry.ca. I'm just going to walk you through to what this website has and the different features you can employ for this semester and even next. First of all, in regards to this front page here, we'll have pictures here. Either you guys take, we take, and we'll put them in here, a few of them, and then along the way, these announcements are generally going to be for things like the forestry week coming up. We need a student rep, things which usually aren't directly related to class. Here I have this one here for an exception, but generally it'll be more about things outside of class. The next one is Q&A, and this is for you guys to ask each other questions and comments, and we'll get involved with that also. But the whole idea is that if you have a question, send it out to the other 90 students and get feedback on that. And so it's a very interactive section, and we encourage you to use that. Now, before I dive into all these up here, what I want to do is scroll down, and on the home page right here, of course, is where the video is on. Get a tour of the site, but we're going to have over here called last minute info for you. And this is information in regards to, a quick bus change or whatever the situation, room change. Look over here for last minute info. All right. Here I've just written in some silly things. Then we have over here is the calendar, and this is really important. And the calendar will tell you, for example, where do you have to be for different things which are not normal in your normal schedule. So, for example, let's say the very first, in the second week on the Monday, you have to get a third semester overview, and then the room is going to be announced, and that'll probably be announced in last minute info for you if I don't find a room right away. All right. Below, so this calendar is crucial. It also shows you things you got to have in, like you got in the second week, you got to have GPS task 1 done. And then it gives you descriptions of what you have to do. So plant collections, everything else along the way. Down here is the courses which aren't highlighted above are listed here, and they will eventually all be highlighted with information. Okay, so these are all the other courses in our third semester. Below on the home page is videos, and there'll also be just like forestry videos, weird forestry videos. We've set this up which these are non-class videos. And since you guys are going to be outside all the time, here's the weather, and this weather is for Lindsay area, so you get to have your weather right there. And below, I'm going to slowly build links to Canadian Institute of Forestry jobs and anything else that's pertinent to your career. All right, so that's the home page. At the top, when you press home here, you get third semester explained, and this is a YouTube video to explain all the courses and how they're going to be presented to you. Very important to read. And then the Fleming portal, as you know what that is, and then the calendar, which is just below. The challenges, these are each challenge, and if you click on just the challenge, the word challenge here, and we're just going to give that a second to reload, then it gives a description of what is a challenge and why do you do them, and so on. Okay, that's on the challenge page, and then each challenge is presented here. I've loaded up the first two for you, and this will discuss what you're going to have to do for that week. The next one is called the course modules. These modules, and these are the things that you shall be tested on outside the challenges. So, for example, forest ecology, you have basic concepts like a web C test, advanced concepts. I'll just flick to that thing, and it's loading right now. There it is, and you can see these are all the things you've got to know to do that test. Okay, so all the information is provided there. Now the Woodlot Conference, there's nothing there right now, but that's going to be quickly built up, and what that is in regards to the Woodlot Conference that you guys are going to organize and present this December the 8th. Resources, super crucial spot for you guys. student semester schedule. This is, once you know what section you're in, you can look on here and see how it says section FT3A. It has your schedule color coded. Each course is a different color. The first weeks 2 to 9 are listed here, and weeks 10 to 15 are listed here. And then that goes, and then it repeats for section B and section C. So once you know your section, come to here to know, and you can see your actual schedule and room and everything. The next thing is resources for the weeks 2 to 9. And what this is all your resources that you will need, be it videos, text, PDF, JPEGs, websites. They're all hyperlinked here, and so this is your resource for all the information you will need. The cool part of this is you can get all this off. Even if you have a smartphone, you can access this entire website. The assessments, this is about how are you going to get actually marked. Everybody wants to know that, and this is what this is all about here. And here's the marking breakdown that's going to be provided for you. We're still refining it right now, but that's where you're going to find how am I being marked. And your group work, you're going to do peer evaluation, and how that's going to be done, that's shown here. Fleming links, that's your typical, campus login, WebCT, email, and all that. And the help function, that takes you back to Q&A. Okay, so that gives you an idea of the actual Flemingforestry.ca, very important piece of a tool for you, for this semester, and I hope you use it lots because it will make life a lot easier.